Hello everyone, this is Bluestar Warrior. In the last episode, I accidentally ended, so it's very, very short. Whoa, this is way too loud. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have to locate the chest and bonfires. I did none of that in the last episode. So this episode will be mainly going to get, some things for my territory. Because out there, it is not my territory. Yeah. I will also have to be hunting along the way. Because, well, I am a wildcat. Oh, I keep forgetting where the attack button is. What? I need to get to my food. There. Now, if I can, I'll go get some water. I'll just wait till my energy goes up a little. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty close. Okay. Why do I stop? Can I oh my gosh, why do I keep mumbling? Yeah, something's up ahead. What is it? I have never done this part of it before. Okay, first I'll get territory claimed, and what's in the chest? Bird ambush attack. Oh. And then I can see what I got. I don't want to look at what I got just yet. That would not be good. But now I can look at it. So, is it on treasure? Unlock various superpowers by finding magical objects such as chest keys and gems. Oh, I first need the keys too. And it's superpowers. Something's up ahead. Maybe if I go around this way, it might be better. Oh, it's in here. Oh, we're outside of here. Now we'll just go hunt and then look for other stuff. I have to hunt a lot more. It brings up my adventure points. There. How many adventure points do I have? What? Huh? What the? Oh, that's a lot of adventure points. I keep forgetting. I can rebuy invincibility. I can still get invincibility. Should probably remember that. I can use my invincibility then when I defeat some bosses. Okay. Yeah. So I wonder, because I have the chest, and then after that I have to get the keys so I can unlock their superpowers. I wonder what the superpowers are. And I'll go riding ahead. Oh, it's inside. Should probably refill my water. And there. And then I'll get this and see if in this episode we can get the last chest and bonfire. Here. And maybe even find a mate. Because I know that we need find a mate. Wait. Put 4 chests and 4 bonfires. Territory claimed. I don't think it's very wild animally for them to have bonfires, right? But I guess this is just a video game. And a story. Ooh, looks like I'll have to pass through something. This is big. I guess I can just pass through here. Oh yeah, I have to use my jump in this. Oh, I can go through. Oh. So, it is very rainy today. Oh, and then I must hunt. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I can't die right now. If I go slower, maybe. No, just a dumb ambush attack to help me, which isn't really helping me. But maybe I can get to the chest and bonfire before. Maybe, just maybe I can. Now I have to get the chest. Yes! Quest complete. Now I just have to hunt. Find my mate. And have to hunt. Okay, does anyone know where some... Oh no, my mate is right ahead of me, and I might not be able to get to it. I hate when this happens. Yes! I got to it. I got to her. I mean him. It has to be him. I have the baby. I had the baby. Okay. I'm going to name him Firestar. Good. Well, yeah, and I still have my offspring, too. Maybe our offspring can be the one with the whiteness. You are a cub for this part of the story. Well, this is about the end of the episode. Thank you everyone for watching, and goodbye!